How do you distinguish Y-intercept from X-intercept? Imagine you're looking at a graph and trying to understand where a line touches the axes. It might seem tricky at first, but once you know what to look for, it becomes much easier. The key is to focus on the points where the line crosses the axes. These points are called intercepts, and they tell us a lot about the line's behavior. The x-intercept is the point where the line crosses the horizontal axis, which is called the x-axis. At this point, the value of y is always 0 because the line touches the x-axis at that spot. When you see a point like x0, that is your x-intercept. To find it from an equation, you set y equal to 0 and solve for x. For example, if the equation is 5 times x plus 2 times y equals 10, you replace y with 0. 5x plus 2 times 0 equals 10. That simplifies to 5x equals 10, so equals 2. So the x-intercept is at 2, 0. Now the y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the vertical axis, called the y-axis. Here, the value of x is always 0 because the line touches the y-axis at that point. When you see a point like 0y, that is your y-intercept. To find it, you set equal to 0 in the equation and solve for y using the same example, replace with 0. 5 times 0 plus 2y equals 10. That simplifies to y equals 10, so y equals 5. The y-intercept is at 0, 5. Understanding these points helps you sketch the line accurately. The y-intercept is often written as the number in the equation called the slope-intercept form, which looks like y equals m times x plus. In this form, the b is the y-intercept. For example, in y equals to x plus 3, the y-intercept is at 0, 3. To sum up, the x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis, and at that point, y is 0. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, and at that point, is 0. Recognizing these points makes graphing linear functions much easier and helps you understand how the line behaves. Just remember, setting y to 0 finds the x-intercept, and setting to 0 finds the y-intercept. It's like a simple puzzle that reveals the lines crossing points on the axes.